Mayank, when was the first time you saw them together? It was during Karan Arjun.
It was the first day I ever met Shah Rukh in my life.
Okay.
On the sets. I called Kajal because we were friends.
Right.
And my dad took me on these production rounds. He wanted me to learn the ways of the movie business. So I was told I was going to meet Shah Rukh Khan. And I knew Kajal was on that set. They were shooting Jati Hu Main, Jaldi Hai Kya, that song. And I called Kajal and I said, listen, I'm coming to meet Shah Rukh. Will you be there? I'm really nervous. I haven't done this. And I've never met like a that generation movie star, you know. I had met Amit Uncle and all before that, but I hadn't met and I heard horror stories about Shah Rukh. I heard he was arrogant and he used to fight journalists and throw things at them, and I'd heard all these kind of stories. Yeah, there was.
Really?
Yeah.
You shoot at him?
Yeah.
No, not at him.
Never me.
So I had heard these kind of stories. So I met him and they were shooting Jati Hu, and I think Kajal was very distraught on that set.
Okay.
Because I believe Chinni Prakash and Rekha Prakash were giving them really acrobatic and semi-vulgar movements to do. Like Jati Hu Main, Jaldi Hai Kya was between each other's legs and thighs and something like that.
I was okay with it.
Yeah, but I know she was angry. My visual of seeing Kajal on that set was reading a book with her chashma and just snarling, like really angry. She has to do this extremely in-your-face, pun intended, song. And I met Shah Rukh and it was absolutely a different experience meeting him for the first time on that set, because he was warm, wonderful and chatty, nothing like I'd imagined.
Okay.
And I need to tell you,
sure.
Of course, yeah. At that point of time, we were shooting a scene where I was taking a blade of grass and I was to run it down Kajal's back, and the expression was to be given by the back. So she was finding it a little difficult, I don't know why, because it's such an easy thing to do. And you know, it was like, Jati Hu Main, to ching, 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 she's supposed to do all that. And it was like those little 80s, 90s kind of thing, and where Kajal was, you know, they're saying, just move karo na beta. And, you know, come on, hoga. And it was so funny because, and she's like, I can't feel it. So then I would run my finger. It was very strange. It was really fun. I was trying to be helpful, but it was really funny.
Those days, you know, those heaving shots, back heaving shots.
Yeah. Well, it was just the back. The thing was to run and she's supposed to shake her.
But I have to say, there are lots of shots like this which I've done with him where he's taught me so much.
Can I say one more? in
Bazigar,
in Mauritius, there's a shot on the bench, you know, there's a sisky of a heroine. You know, it has to come out like this, and Kajal wasn't getting it because it is 1, 2, 3, 4.
And Sarojji could not understand. She said, beta. It started with beta, aisa karna hai. Then she went to beta. Then finally she was beta, aisa karna hai.
And she's to go,
samajh mein nahi aa raha aapko?
Ooh, or something like that. And she's not getting it on the beat because she's like, ooh, ooh. And they wanted it to be, you know, really
exaggerated.
Loud. And then Sarojji came quietly and said, usko na, chauthe count pe pinch kar dena. So I did. And she went, and they got the shot, and she's like, what are you doing? And for one moment, I felt, you know, I've worked with her enough, she knows me, but is she going to think I'm that kind of hero who's taking advantage and pinching on the back?